Hello, this is Ben with Make Use Of, and today we're going to take a look at how to remove irrelevant YouTube recommendations from your account. Now, as you probably know, YouTube is always analyzing what videos you're watching on the service and what you're searching for so that it can recommend more relevant videos for you. Of course, YouTube makes its money from ads, so if you're seeing video recommendations that you're likely to click, you're going to click on more videos and stay on the site for longer. But sometimes you'll end up with recommendations that are just complete nonsense. Maybe you had someone else on your account and they searched for a bunch of stuff that you don't normally watch, or maybe you had to look something up for a project and so you have a lot of strange videos in your history. Whatever it is, if you're getting recommendations that are strange or don't make any sense, we'll show you how to get rid of those right now. So the first thing you want to do is hop on over to YouTube. Obviously you need to be logged into an account so you can edit your preferences. So click on your profile picture in the top right corner and then click on the Your Data in YouTube option. What that's going to do is bring you to a page where you can manage the data that YouTube collects about you. And of course, it's all tied into your Google account since YouTube is owned by Google. So there's two separate parts we're going to want to look at. The first is your YouTube watch history. So this is a record of all the videos you've watched on YouTube that the site keeps. Below this, where it says Manage Your YouTube Watch History, click on that, and you'll see a series of videos that you've watched. It keeps track of everything. And you can delete this by clicking on the three-dot menu at the top of the page and clicking Delete Activity By. Now, if you want to delete everything, that's really easy. Change this date to all time. You can confirm that and just click delete. YouTube also offers these tools where you can delete by keyword. So maybe you had a string of videos where you were really interested in My Little Pony and you want to get rid of all of those. You could search for a string and delete all of your watched videos that contain that word or a certain product. So if you don't want to do all time, maybe just the last week you had to search for videos for work or something and you got a bunch of weird recommendations, you can just delete your last 7 days or yesterday or whatever you want to do. If it's only 1 or 2 videos that you search for, you can also come through here, click on the three-dot menu, and then click delete. Just delete 1 or 2 videos from your watch history, but of course, if you've watched a lot of videos, this will take a while, so we recommend using the other method above. After you're done with this, hop on back to that Your Data in YouTube page, and at the top where it says YouTube Watch History, you'll see this On link. Click on that to open a new page. Now here, you want to turn off the slider that says YouTube Watch History, and you'll get a notice letting you know that if you pause this, YouTube's not going to keep track of what you're watching, and it might result in worse recommendations. Now, whether you want to do this is up to you. If you'd rather YouTube not keep track of what you're watching and not really recommend anything based on what you like, you can turn this off, and doing so will make it so that you don't have to come in here and keep deleting your watch history every so often. But if you do want recommendations based on what you watch, you just want to get rid of what you've watched in the past, then go ahead and leave this option on. Now once you've done this, you want to scroll down a little bit more and you'll see YouTube Search History. Now this is very similar. Just click on the Manage Your YouTube Search History link. And once that comes up, it's very similar to before. You can click on the 3 dots and click delete. If you want to delete one particular entry, you can shred that. Or if you want to delete more than one, click on the 3 dots up here, choose Delete Activity By, and then you can do all time to get rid of everything, last 7 days, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same story as before when you click on the main Your Data in YouTube page. If you click on this On, you'll see a page where you can pause YouTube keeping track of your search history. Now, we should mention that while this will reset what YouTube knows about you, essentially. So it won't know what videos you've seen recently, and it won't know what you've searched for recently. So this should kind of zero out your recommendations to like a fresh account. The thing is, this won't completely get rid of all recommendations on YouTube, nor will it get rid of recommendations that you might not necessarily like. So you can see on the right side here, no matter what you're watching, YouTube is going to recommend stuff that it thinks you might like. So on my account, I listen to a lot of video game music videos, so it's recommending a lot of stuff like that. If you click on the 3 dots and choose Not Interested, YouTube will hopefully remember that you're not interested in that particular topic or video, and it won't recommend that video again, and it should use that to recommend more relevant content for you in the future. Now, of course, once you zero everything out, YouTube is either going to recommend videos based on what you're watching or just what it wants you to see. So this Chernobyl's radioactive lava is still hot video. I'm not really sure why that's being recommended for me. It could just be because it's trending. or whatever like that. So this won't get rid of every single irrelevant video, but if you're seeing a lot of content being recommended that's not really related to your interests, the methods that we just talked about should help you. And lastly, the other thing you can do is, if you need to look up some YouTube videos for a while and you don't want them to influence your search history, you can open up an incognito window, go to YouTube, of course, and then just search from there. In an incognito window, it's completely fresh. There's nothing tied to your account, so it'll just be whatever's trending on YouTube. So when you click on a video, like I said earlier, it'll probably recommend videos on the right side that are just generally trending or related to what you're watching right now. So anytime you need to watch some YouTube videos that you don't want connected to your account, an incognito window is a good way to do that. So that's about it. In summary, click on the profile picture in the top right, go to the Your Data in YouTube section, and from there you can delete what you've watched in the past, you can delete your search history, and kind of reset your YouTube recommendations back to normal. Just don't expect every single recommendation you get to be spot on, because YouTube is always tweaking how it recommends videos and what's trending and all that, so that could affect everything. We hope you enjoyed this and that it helped you out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe to Make Use of's YouTube channel here, where we post tutorials like this, as well as reviews and giveaways of the latest tech pretty regularly. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.